Here's some old Babylon trivia. Subscribe. Which epic poem is associated with Babylon? Is it A, Odyssey, B, Epic of Gilgamesh, C, Iliad, or D, Aeneid? The correct answer is B, Epic of Gilgamesh. What was the primary language of ancient Babylon? Is it A, Akkadian, B, Hebrew, C, Sumerian, or D, Greek? The correct answer is A, Akkadian. Which ruler is known for the code of laws in Babylon? Is it A, Hammurabi, B, Nebuchadnezzar, C, Ashurbanipal, or D, Sargon of Akkad? The correct answer is A, Hammurabi. What city served as the capital of ancient Babylon? Is it A, Babylon, B, Assyria, C, Nineveh, or D, Uruk? The correct answer is A, Babylon. What system of math used by Babylonians was base 60? Is it A, binary, B, decimal, C, sexagesimal, or D, octal? The correct answer is C, sexagesimal. Which two rivers border the region of ancient Babylon? Is it A, Yangtze and Ganges, B, Tigris and Euphrates, C, Nile and Amazon, or D, Seine and Thames? The correct answer is B, Tigris and Euphrates. Which goddess was the patron deity of Babylon? Is it A, Ishtar, B, Ninhursag, C, Ereshkigal, or D, Tiamat? The correct answer is A, Ishtar. What empire absorbed Babylon in the 6th century BC? Is it A, Roman Empire, B, Assyrian Empire, C, Macedonian Empire, or D, Persian Empire? The correct answer is D, Persian Empire. What was the primary writing material used in Babylon? Is it A, clay tablets, B, animal hides, C, stone slabs, or D, wood panels? The correct answer is A, clay tablets. What major Babylonian building was dedicated to Marduk? Is it A, Ishtar Gate, B, Etemenanke, C, Ziggurat-Avur, or D, Tower of Babel? The correct answer is B, Etemenanke. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.